Dear students, welcome to our second program of C++ second PUC Lab Pro. See, after opening C++ editor, if you find like this, then you have to go for File, then click on New option. Then you will get a new page. After that, you can press the F5 key so that the window can be enlarged. So now in this video I'm going to show you the second program, that is C++ program to insert an element into an array at given position. Okay, in an array we are inserting our element which is needed. So hope in the last program you have learned many things, and let us see what are the things in this program comes, and I will try to explain which are necessary here. So as usual, start with hash include iostream.h, then hash include conio.h. So about these two header files I had already explained, and the third one here is hash include stdlib.h. See, if we are using any library functions in the program, then we will use the header file stdlib.h. So here I am giving comment for this stdlib, okay, contains standard library functions. So we will use stdlib.h. Now we are creating a class here. Again I am repeating, don't use any capitals here. Okay, you don't use any caps, use only the small letters. Again started as usual the last program, then give the access specifiers. Here we are taking again integer type, that is array a of 10, then comma n comma position pos instead of ele, as we had used in our last program ele, we are using pos ele. Okay, here ele is also we have taken, and I. Then come to public access specifier we are using here. Okay, now here we will take again the three member functions, same as in the last program. Void read data, then we will use semicolon, then void. Okay, instead of using find freq we are using insert. Okay, because this is a program for inserting an element. Then the third one is display. Okay, semicolon, enter, then again close the curly brace followed by the semicolon. After that, as usual, void give the class name which is present here. See this class name, class insertion. Okay, this one I am giving here, insertion. Then press 2 times colon, then it takes scope resolution operator. Then take the first member function, that is read data. While typing, keep the spelling checked properly. Okay, yes, then open. After that, see out, enter the size of array, same as the last program as we did. Okay, again end of line character, then see in, this is for input reading, and as usual in the last program, and see out. Here again we are taking this as to enter the array elements, that is enter the elements of the array. Okay, I'm giving clearly so that you can understand properly. Okay, then end L, after that semicolon. Then now we have to enter the array element, so we are giving a for loop here, I equal to 0 comma I less than n comma I plus plus. Here particularly we have not mentioned int, as in the last program we have mentioned particularly integer type, that there we have to give only the integer type of elements. Here we can give any type of elements. Okay, this is the for loop, and this for loop is used for a repetition. Okay, everywhere for repetition we'll use for loop. This is a looping statement, we'll use it for repetition. Then cin, as in the last program, take a of I semicolon. Then cout. Now we are looking here, cout. Here one extra output statement, that is enter the position, okay, of the element to insert. I am giving like this, enter the position of an element to insert. This means in which position we have to enter the element here. Okay, in which position we need to enter the element, that position we are going to give here. So for that position we are taking element here, we are taking the position POS. Okay, because we are entering position. Now we are giving one more output statement, that is cout. Here enter the element to be inserted. Okay, in the above statement we have asked just the element, just to give the position of an element, but in this statement we are giving element asking. Then cin, for inserting elements we have got le. Then close this program. As the power should not fail, so click on file, press save or F2. Here I will give it as, after frequency I will give it as insert. I will give number here 2, that is insert. Okay, inserting an element dot cpp. Press enter. Then see, the program is saved here. After that, first working of, that is read data member function, has finished. Now come to the next member function, that is same as usual, void insertion. Then we have taken it as insert. Okay, so here no semicolon. Remember that while declaring a member function outside the class definition, we will not use any semicolon. If you are declaring inside the class definition, then definitely we have to use the member function. Here we are taking one if statement, that is if position is greater than n, comparing. Okay, if position is greater than n, okay, then give one open curl brace. Okay, after that come to the next line, then give an enter, that is cout. Here I am giving that it is out of array limits. It means if we are giving any extra things, okay, then it shows us that this is, that what we have entered is the out of array limits. Here no need of going to next line. So here only I am terminating this statement by just giving semicolon. So no need of endl here, get ch. Okay, here I have used the get ch. Then exit statement to get out of this loop. Okay, exit, then close to come out of if statement. Okay, we have given exit. Then here we are giving else. That means that if these options, that is array is not out of limit, okay, then it should come to this statement here, that is for, okay, I is equal to n semicolon, then I greater than or equal to position semicolon, then I minus minus. See, wherever you see we have given I plus plus with the for loop. See here we have given I plus plus. This is because of incrementing, because I is equal to 0 here. Okay, so if I is equal to n, n means number of that is array size. If I is equal to size and it is less than position, then it should decrease. So for decrement we are using I minus minus here. Here I am giving I minus minus is used for decrement, okay, or decreasing. You can give it as decreasing, okay, so that everyone can understand it properly. Then we are doing calculation. A of I plus 1, okay, I plus 1 equal to A of I. That is, if we add I with 1, I means number of elements, okay, what we are giving. Then it is compared with A of I, position. Then A of position. See, if position is comparing with element, okay, this is assigning, not combining. Here, not comparing. Here, equals is used for, okay, assigning, assignment operator, okay, to assign. Then n equal to n plus 1. Like this we have given, sorry, this is n equal to n plus 1, then semicolon. After that we are closing the open curly brace, and finally we are closing the second. Now the last member data, sorry, member function, that is void. Then take the class name as insertion, then scope resolution operator. After that the last member function is display, then open, open. After that cout, okay, cout, then array elements after insertion are, okay. Look here, I am explaining clearly. Next, end of line. After that, given for loop for entering array elements, that is I equal to 0, semicolon, then I less than n, semicolon, then I plus plus, okay. After that give the final statement cout, that is a of I, okay. Then give slash t here just to give one tab of space, then close. So after closing this we have to take a main function, that is with void main. Then we have to give the class name as insertion, giving space, take one object, that is I, then give clr scr for clear screen. After that give object with every member function, I dot read data, okay, then semicolon, I dot insert, okay, open and close parenthesis, that is function, then I dot display as we have used in the last program. And finally we will do one more time here, get ch. See, 2 times we have used get ch. This get ch, what we have used with the if statement here. So this get ch is for closing of if statement, okay. If array comes out of limit, so we should go out of the program. So for that here it is given, and here when the full complete program completes, then we have to close here. See, something looking odd here, that is we have not opened the curl brace with the, we have not opened the main function with curl brace, okay. Now we have closed. So once again give it save. Now for compiling as shown, click on compile or press alt F9. See, here there are 4 errors, so I will check what are the errors. See, statement missing, here it is showing statement missing. This means missing semicolon here. See, it is marked to the line where the curl brace is closed, but where it is showing we have to see just a line above that mark. Here we have missed the semicolon, so we have to put semicolon here. Again give alt F9, then the errors have become 0. See, just for missing a semicolon, okay, it was showing 4 errors. Now dear students, purposely I will do some errors here. I will create some errors as like, see here, I will remove hash from first header file. Okay, then I will remove one curl brace from main function. Then what will happen? And I will put one semicolon for if statement. Okay, if we do like this, then what will happen? Semicolon for, sorry, not here, semicolon for if statement, and I am removing the space in between void insert. Now see, give alt F9, that is for compiling. See here, it is showing 13 errors. If you do like this type of mistakes, it will show us errors. Press enter and clear one after the other. Here it is showing that line 2, it is showing line 2 here, CPP2, declaration syntax error. Okay, where it is showing? See, it is showing in the first line here, second line here. First line is the program name that we have given comment. Okay, the second line is the program started with IO stream. So here it is showing, just press enter. See, here we have missed hash. For that thing, it is showing that error. Next, give alt F9. It is showing 9 errors. Press enter. See, here type qualifier void insertion must be struct or class. That means class name we have not entered properly. After void we need to give space. Press enter and see, cursor is showing here. Here it is showing, it is pointed already. So go back and after void give one space. Then again give alt F9. Still 9 errors are there. So here see, it is showing misplaced else. That means else we have kept in the wrong position. So we can understand that if we give semicolon near if statement or to the if statement, if we give semicolon, then it will show us else misplaced. Then 8 errors are there. Here it is showing, see, declaration syntax. That means after void main, after main function, a curl brace should be kept open. We have not opened, so it is showing declaration syntax error. Here we have to give one curl brace. After that again give alt F9. So let us see what will happen. See, errors are become 0. Oh my god, just for missing a curl brace at the main function, it was showing us 9 errors. Now everything is cleared. By pressing F2, save once again and press S. Now give once more alt F9, that is compiling. Errors are 0. Then go for running the program, run option, click on run or click on run again. Otherwise from keyboard you can press Ctrl plus F9. See, it is coming to the output. As we have entered in the first program, in the same way we are entering the next program, that is 5. So don't use 5 from right hand keyboard. Sorry, I have used 5 from right hand keyboard again, so it got logical error. So use from the number key it at your second line of the numbers. So I am giving 5 here. Now enter the array elements. So we need to insert one element. So I will do like this: 1, 2, okay, 4, 5 and 6. What I have given? 1, 2, 4, 5 and 6. Next it will ask you to enter the position of the element to insert. See here, the arrays always, they are identified by indices. The indices will start with 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 likewise. So 1 is present here at the index 0, 2 is present at the index 1, 4 is present at the index 2, 5 is present at the index 3, 6 is present at the index 4. Totally 5 elements starting from 0 to 4. Now I want to enter element 3. So we have to set the position. 1 is in 0 position, 2 is in 1 position, now 4 is in 2 position. Now I want to enter the element at position 2. Okay, so 2. Now which element I need to insert? I need to insert the element 3 here. So I have given 3. So look, after this what will happen? See, array elements after insertion are 1, 2, 3, but it is deleted 4. Okay, but it means some logical error is there. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 we need to get, but we are not getting 4, 5 and 6. Some logical error is there. I will press enter. I will go back and I will see what is the logical error we have done in the program. Okay, check one by one. Definitely we'll come to know what is the error. Here a of 10, that array is okay, then n is okay, position, element, I, everything is okay. Void read insert display is okay, then semicolon, void insertion read data, it is okay. Then for I equals 0, I less than n, I plus plus is okay. See in a of I is okay. Then C in A of I, then position, element, then void insertion, then insert, everything is okay if position greater than n. Then C out, get ch exit 0, that's also okay. Here I think we have done any mistake. Yeah, yes. See here for I equal to n. Okay, I think you are looking. I'm showing you. To see here for I equals n, I less than or equal to position, we have given wrong here, so it got logical error. Sometimes errors are clear, but we will do logical errors, so for that thing we are unable to get the errors or unable to find the errors. See, I will delete this, then I am giving the greater than sign, then I am saving the program. Now I am going back to the last result by pressing alt F5. By pressing alt F5, I'm going back to the last result. See, it was showing 1 2 3 5 6 7. Actually it should show 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 5 6 and some garbage values, unknown values it is showing, but it's supposed to show 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, now press enter, run the program once again, that is click on run, then go for run. Otherwise from keyboard press Ctrl F9. Now I'm taking the same elements. Oh, sorry. Again, I have entered 5 like this. Okay, it has taken. Okay, let me see what will happen. I'm giving 1, 2, okay, 4, 5, and 6. At which position we need to enter an element? 1 is in 0 position, 2 is in 1 position, 4 is in 2 position. So in 2 position, we need to enter the element. The element is what? Element is 3. See, we have got some different value again. It means some more logical error is there, I think. Otherwise, I have pressed some right hand keypad. For that thing, it has taken like this. So Control F9. I'm trying once more, giving element 5, then 1, 2, okay, 4, 5, and 6. After that, at second position, we need to enter. The element is 3. Again, we are getting the garbage values. That means we have to check once more what we did, or the error here. For I is equal to n, okay, then I greater than or equal to position, I minus minus. See here, a of I plus 1 we have to give, but we have given a of I equals 1. Now it is clear, I think. So again Control F9, I'm taking the same output as number 5, 1, 2, 4, 5, and 6. At second position, we are entering the element. The element is 3. See, like this, we have got the clear result, that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Dear students, sometimes we will do logical errors like this. Because of that, after clearing all the errors also, we will not get the proper output result. So when we are not getting proper output result, dear students, please go through that. If we have done any logical error or not, find the logical error, then clear yourself, because C++ compiler or C++ editor will not show you any logical error. Thank you, dear students. We'll come back with our third program. Till then, thank you. Bye.